paddle shifted 810 horsepower, all-wheel drive, regular cab, short bed pickup, straight from the dealer with a warranty. Let's talk price and performance details of this monster that's now available at Ford dealers nationwide. Car of the week is the F-150 Black Widow SR810 that promises to be a purpose-built street truck made especially for raw, supercharged performance. The package is built around a Whipple Supercharged 5-liter with promised instant throttle response. What I love about this thing is its simplicity. These Ford Coyote engines are ready for power, and an upgrade like this really delivers that power without becoming anything too complicated that'll sacrifice reliability or drivability. The truck also comes with a big brake kit, a graphics kit to make it stand out, and a red accented interior, including a performance steering wheel. And you might be like, what is a performance steering wheel? Well, it comes with the aforementioned paddle shifters. All that gets wrapped up in a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty that'll make sure you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Pricing, it starts at a touch over $94,000 per the website, and I'd venture to think that's probably for the regular cab short bed. You can also get this thing as a crew cab if that's more your flavor too. Let me know what you think about this monster of a truck over in the comments.